Yes, good morning guys to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S exam prep. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? Then guys, we are starting this session. This is a mock test for BARC exam. Yes. So guys, today we are having the mock test for BARC mechanical students. And guys, I have included the questions from all the subjects. This is the first mock test. And we would be having one, two more mock tests before exam as well. So before starting, I would like to tell you that we are having here 50 questions for 60 minutes. The duration is there, and you would be getting plus 3 marks for correct answer, and you will be getting -1 for the wrong answer. Yes, good morning, MSD2E Dev. Good morning. So now we are starting the session, guys. Okay, and we would be having the mixed questions from all the subjects. So let us start. Okay, guys. So before we start, this is some detail about me. Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana is a Telegram channel. You can join that to get the handwritten notes, all the notification, PDFs and all. This is a series starting from 6th of November, means already started. Hand-picked questions, PYQs from early 90s we are doing here. Already 2 sessions are completed for SOM and fluid mechanics. And guys, with those sessions, you are also getting the free quizzes on BYJU'S exam prep app. Link is there in the description of this session. You can join that app and you will get free quizzes on the daily basis. And this is about the mega mock challenge. Then we are starting, guys. So from 11th November to 18th of November, there will be mega mock challenge 3 will be live. The syllabus will be manufacturing, material science, industrial engineering and IC engine. Okay. So be ready for that. Now we are moving ahead with the questions. Okay. I will be starting with this question. Yes. The timer is also there with you. So as you know, in the BARC exam, time is also going to play important role. So guys, what would be the answer for this question? A shaft is subjected to fluctuating loads with nominal torque 1500 Newton meter, bending moment 2000 Newton meter respectively. If the combined shock and fatigue factors are 2 and 1.5, then the equivalent torque will be. Yes, Papa Kakoda, good morning. So try to solve this question. You need to find out the equivalent torque here. Okay, I will slightly helping you. Okay, but after the completion of the timer. So try to answer within the time limits so that in the exam also you are capable of completing the questions on time. 60 minutes, 50 question, but I am taking 1 minute for every question. Yes, Dev, Papa Ka Ghoda, MSD2E, try to solve it and also share the session, guys, so that other students can also join it. Yes. So guys, when you are talking about the equivalent torque, the formula for that is this. It is factor into bending moment ka square plus factor into twisting moment ka square. So when you will be going for that, you will be getting the value of equivalent twisting moment. So when you will solve it, my dear, what the answer I have already calculated for you, you would be getting 4589.5. 4589.5. You would be aware that in BARC, yes, very good, Dev. In BARC, calci will be available on screen. So that is why calculative questions will come. Even in the BARC scientist exam, questions are coming. And that is why the cutoff is going from 50, 60, 65%, not more than that. So the reason for that is that numericals questions are coming. A is the right answer. Dev, Mani, Papa Ka Ghoda, very good. So moving further to the next question, guys. This is likewise. Every question will not be calculating. Some will be easy questions like that also. So here you need to save the time and the numericals will be taking slightly more time. Okay. So a component is to be designed with brittle material. The appropriate theory of failure we will be using here. Maximum normal stress theory, maximum shear stress theory, maximum strain energy theory or distortion energy theory. So I feel Mani, Rohan, Papa Ka Ghoda have given the correct answer. So answer is maximum normal stress theory. I feel you are aware maximum principal stress theory is used for the brittle material, and then we are going to use MSST for the ductile material if nothing is mentioned to us. Otherwise, the MDET is also a good material for ductile material. So very good guys. Aniket, very good. Dev, Sunil, very good. Moving to the next question guys. This question is once again slightly numerical from the Soderberg criteria. So in this, my dear, they have given you the fluctuating stresses of 125 and 75. It means sigma max is 125, sigma min is 75. Okay, you do by yourself. Timer is going on. After that time will complete, then I will solve for you. Yes. Aniket, Dev, Sunil, Amy, Rohan, Mani. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. This is from Soderberg criteria. We have included questions from all the subjects: thermodynamics, heat transfer, production, SOM, FM. From everywhere questions are there. Okay. Industrial. Yes. Those who don't know the equation, I will try to help you. Sigma m by SYT, sigma A by SE, 1 by N. Okay, so Papa Ka Ghoda and Sunil have given the answer to be D, that is 1.6 they are saying. What about others? What about others? So first of all, we are aware of sigma maximum and minimum. First of all, you will be finding out the sigma mean. Sigma mean is going to be sigma max plus sigma min by 2. When you will be going for this, you will be getting 125 plus 75 by 2. The answer will be 100. Then sigma amplitude will be coming out to be 125 minus 75 by 2. So you would be having, it is going to be 50. 50 by 2 is 25. So when you will be having these two values, you have 125. So you will say 100 by 200 plus 25. Endurance limit is 75. And you need to find out the factor of safety. You can see it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is 1 by N. So I feel 6, 3 plus 2, 1 by N. So N is 6 by 5. I feel it is 1.2. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Very good Rohan, very good Dev, very good Aniket. Mani, very good. So guys, don't worry. Maybe you are taking slightly more time with this timer because some are numerical, some are theory. I have kept standard 1 minute for every question. Okay, but it's fine. Answer is B for this. Very good. So guys, next is very easy question from riveted joint. Very good Sunil. In a riveted joint, the tearing efficiency is 80%. The diameter of the rivet hole is 20 mm. The pitch of the joint is. It is an easy question. I feel everybody would be knowing how to do this. After that, we have two more questions from machine design. Then we will be having the questions from other subjects also. Okay, so likewise every subject is covered. Don't worry about that. So guys, how many questions we have done? Anybody is looking at the number? Okay, Mani is saying B is the answer. Okay, what about others? Okay, Papa Ka Ghoda is saying B is the answer. So I feel we have done 3 questions. This is the 4th one. This is the 4th one. So guys, yes. Sunil, very good. 3 students have answered it. Those who don't know the formula, I would like to help you. The tearing efficiency is 1 minus diameter of hole divided by pitch. This is the formula. Very good, Dev. So those who know, they try by their self. Those who don't know, for them I am writing the formulas. So when you would be using it, you would be equating it with the 0.8 because 80% is the efficiency. So you would be getting, pitch will be coming out to be 100 mm. So B is the right answer. Moving to question number 5, guys. Moving to question number 5. A full journal bearing 100 mm diameter, 200 mm long and supporting radial load of 25 kilonewton, operating at speed of 960 rpm, the resulting coefficient of friction is 0.003, the power loss. Those who know can try their self. For others, I am writing the formula. Mu WV will be the formula. And V is nothing but R omega. Yes. Very good, guys. You will see the similar type of questions in the exam, because these questions I have not taken like that. I have taken by a lot of research. Yes, maybe somewhere I have made weightages of some subjects more, some subject less, and that is going to be the part of exam. Every exam do not have the same weightage of all the subject. Okay. So that variation you will see in all the mock tests. Like this mock test may be having more SOM, next mock test may be having more thermodynamics. So that will keep on changing. Okay. So solve it, guys. You need to find out the power loss. Mu WV. Mu value is this directly given to you. W value is directly given to you. 25 kilonewton. Okay. So Papa Ka Ghoda is saying the answer will be D, 1.05 kilowatt. So when you will be finding out the power loss, it will be yes, 0.003. W is 25 into 10 to the power 3 and velocity is R into omega. For that they have given you the 100 mm diameter. So you would be having into 50 into 2 pi n by 60. Okay, so when you will be putting this value, the answer will be coming out to be 377 watt. So they have given the correct answer. Money have given the correct answer. Okay, are you getting the answer in kilowatts? 377 kilowatt, then maybe this is misprint if you are getting in kilowatt. Okay, so 377 will be the answer. A is correct. Very good. Dev, Mani, Rohan, very good. So moving to the question number 6, guys. This is very easy question. Very easy question. Very easy question. You can see the question as a tapered roller bearing has a static load rating is 10 and dynamic is 15. Then they are saying it is subjected to a static load of 2 kilonewton and a thrust load of 1 kilonewton. The radial load factor is 0.9. Thrust load factor is 1.2. I feel you know that. And then you know that. Okay, so formula I am writing for those who may not be remembering it. Okay, Dev, watts is correct. Yes, you are correct because 50 is in mm. Okay, fine. Watt will be the answer. Then my answer is correct only. Watt will be the answer. You are correct. Fine. So money, what would be the answer? So wonderful, guys. Do like and share the session so that more students can get the benefit of this mock test. So tell me the answer for this. First of all, find out the equivalent radial load. Then put the value here, get the answer. It is very easy. Very, very easy question. And you will find such type of question where calculations are not much difficult. Yes. Very good. Money is saying A. Dear, V is not given, take it 1. S is not given, take it 1. Okay. So whatever are given, you use those datas only. X is the radial load factor, 0.9. So you will say 0.9 into radial load. What is radial load? Radial load is 2 kilonewton. Then what is the axial load factor? Thrust load factor is 1.2. And what is the load? That is 1. So this is the equivalent radial load. And when you will calculate this, you just need to put the value now. So money have given the correct answer. 125 is the correct one. Yes, so when you will be finding out this PE will be coming out to be whatever you get, it is 1.8 and 1.2. I feel you will be getting 1.8 plus 1.2. Okay, this will be coming out to be, I feel, 3 kilonewton. Then when you will be putting the value, L90 will be coming out to be 125. Okay, because they have given already C to be 15. So you would be having 15 by 3 ka cube. So answer will be 125. A is correct. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good, Dev, Mani. So moving to the next question, guys. Now this question is from theory of machines. This question is from theory of machines. In a parallelogram type of 4-bar mechanism, the motion of the coupler is. This is a theory of machines question. This is a theory of machines question, and I feel we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 question. This is question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, Dev is saying C, Mani is saying B. Very good. Papa Goda is saying C. So my dear, whenever we are going to have a parallelogram linkage, it follows this rule. So whenever you take this, whenever this link and this link are parallel, you will find that the velocity of this point, if it is rotating like this, it is rotating like this. Velocity of this point and velocity of this point is going to be equal. And on more research, you will get to know that every point on this link will be having the same translation velocity. It can happen only if the member is in pure translation. So the answer for this will be B, pure translation. So always remember, Dev, this is not general motion. General motion will be there in all the cases except this one. Because when input and output are becoming parallel to each other, then this velocity and this velocity are becoming equal. So if this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, you can write velocity of B with respect to A becomes equals to velocity of C with respect to D. That is why even you can write velocity of B minus velocity of C will become 0, and that is why you can say BC, you can write it as omega BC into BC. When you will be looking at this, you will be finding out this is going to be 0 and omega BC is going to be 0. Omega BC 0 means there will be no rotational component. Answer will be pure translation. Is it clear? Or pure rotation? Pure translation or pure rotation? Pure translation. Clear? Pure translation. Pure rotation is there with this link. Pure rotation is there with this link. Okay, it will be pure translation. Everybody got it? Because when every point is having same velocity, it is said to be in pure translation. Moving to question number 8, guys. Here you need to answer about the Coriolis component of acceleration. Coriolis component of acceleration, the formula for that is 2v omega. Try to solve it. Question number 8. Question number 8. Once again, theory of machines. So you can see it is a wonderful combination of some theory question, some numerical. Hai na? So theory question will save your time, numerical question will consume your time. Overall balance we need to make. Dev is saying answer to be B. Dev is saying answer to be B. What about others? Yes. Very good. Aspirant, Mani, Rohan, they are saying C. So my dear, when you will find out the magnitude is 2 into V into omega. So when you will find out the magnitude, it is 2 into 10 into 2. Yes, magnitude will be coming out to be 40. It means answer can be B or C. And my dear, you know that 40 meter per second square in the direction opposite to omega or in the direction of omega. So my dear, first of all, this is the velocity vector. Okay, and you need to rotate this velocity vector 90 degree in the sense of omega. So you can see omega is having a sense of anti-clockwise. So this velocity you need to rotate anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means going to be here. So it will be acting in this direction. Okay, so it is going to be in the direction of omega or in the opposite of the direction of omega. Here the confusion is people are thinking ki omega is going like this, we are coming like this, so opposite to omega. It is not like that. Because for omega, the direction is given by right hand thumb rule. So you will not think like that ki omega is in this direction. This is not direction of omega. This is the sense of rotation of omega. So my dear, you are rotating the velocity vector in the sense of rotation. Means you are rotating, if it is anti-clockwise, you are rotating this velocity vector anti-clockwise. So the answer will be C for this. Moving to the next question. Question number 9, guys. Yes, yes, yes. C would be the right answer. In a reverted gear train, you know that in the reverted gear train, whenever we are not given one number of teeth, how we find out? In a reverted gear train, A is having 16 teeth and drive 64. Gear C having 20 teeth, which is compounded with B. So you know this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. A, B, C, and D. Solve it. This is a very, very famous question. What would be the answer for this? They are finding out what is the speed of A. So you know that this is one shaft driver. This is driven. This is compound. You can write RA plus RB, the radius of A and B is equals to radius of C and D. So you can write module is equal for everyone. So you know radius can be written as MT by 2 because module is D by T. So my dear, if that is the case, M by 2 take common. It is TA plus TB equals to M by 2 TC plus TD. When you will be going for this, you will be getting the number of teeth which are not given. They have given 16 teeth for A, 64 for B, 20 for C, and they have not given the number of teeth for D. You will get the number of teeth for D. And what you will be getting the number of teeth for D, you will be getting 60 here. Once you get that, you know you need to find out the angular speed of A, and they have already given you the angular speed of D. So you know you will be applying the compound gear train. NA and D. NA and D will be, you know, for A, B is driven, for C, D is driven. So TB, TD by TA, TC. Putting this, you will be getting the value of NA. And what you are getting the value of NA as, 10 RPM. Are you not getting 10 RPM? Let me solve it in that case. We know NA and ND is given. The speed of D is 120 RPM. It is 120. TB, the number of teeth in B is 64. The number of teeth on D is 60 divided by TATC. It is 16 and 20. Okay, I feel your answer is correct. 16 4 ja, 23 ja. Yes, 1440 is correct. C is correct. 1440 C is correct. Wonderful. So C is correct. Okay. So the answer given by Mani, Papa Goda, Rohan and D2E and aspirant Rohan, correct. Moving to question number 10, guys. If coefficient of speed fluctuation is 0.05, then ratio of maximum to minimum speed is. This is a standard question already asked, similar to this in GATE 2006. Similar to this is asked in GATE 2006. So try to solve it, guys. And also, if you find this mock test helpful, you can write in the comment section so that we will come next time with the complete mechanical team. Okay, this time today I am only taking because I wanted to see that how many students are interested in such mock test. Then after Deepavali, before your exam, entire mechanical team will be coming for one mock test. Don't worry. Okay, so some students have given the answer as B. So I feel everybody know what is coefficient of fluctuation of speed. That is omega max minus omega min divided by max plus min by 2. You can also define with the derivation 2 plus CS, 2 minus CS. That will give you the result, and after solving you will be getting 1.05. Correct. Clear for everyone? Everybody understood this question? This was question number 10. Moving to the next question, question number 11. This is from production. This is from production. Very good Dev, very good Rohan. Production, guys, production. This question is particularly from casting. Particularly from casting. So till now we have seen questions from machine design, from theory of machines. It doesn't mean that now question will not come from theory of machine. They are mixed. Some thermal question will also come, heat transfer will also come. Rohan is saying D, Dev is saying D. Very good. Yes, answer is D. D is correct because they are asking pattern of wax. Yes. So I am happy that you have read the statement carefully. The answer is D for this. And if they would be asking for other material, then I would like to tell you half degree to 2 degree draft is provided. So in that case, answer would be A. If for other materials they ask. Moving to question number 12. For this, they have given this figure. This figure is given. This is constant current, constant voltage. Okay, this 2 is constant current, 1 is constant voltage. And they are asking, you would be using curve 1 and 2 for which type of process? Gas metal arc welding, shielded metal arc welding. Shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding. Shielded metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding. Gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding. Yes. So they have made the curve like this. This is 1, this is 2. What do you feel? Drooper would be required for what? This is drooper, na? This is drooper. Drooper would be required for what? Answer for this, guys. Money is saying B. What about others? Time is about to over. Dear, I would like to tell you that when we are talking about shielded or manual metal arc welding, there we have problem. There we have problem with the movement because electrode is getting melt out. So when electrode will be melting, the gap between electrode and workpiece will vary. And if that will be vary, my dear, you know that variation will change the change of voltage will change the current. And if current setting will be changed, we will be having slag inclusion. To avoid that, we want constant current. We want for change of voltage, the current should be less. Current should change less. So my dear, when you are using this characteristic, in this characteristic you are going to achieve that. Like whenever you are having this voltage, you have this current. For this voltage, you have this current. So voltage is changing by more amount, current is changing by less amount. So this is required in shielded metal arc welding. So 2 is required in this, and for other process which are semi-automatic, 1 is there for that. So answer will be A for this. Everybody got it? So for manual metal arc welding, we require this type of characteristic which is said to be drooper characteristic. Okay. Moving to question number 13, guys. Question number 13, once again from welding. Gas welding this time. No. They have actually voltage drop is resulting into current change. change of voltage result into change of current because power is coming at constant rate. We don't want current to change because if current will change, heat generation will change. Heat generation will change, temperature of the pool will change. Temperature of the pool will change, that pool will solidify fast. Pool will solidify fast, flux will not be able to come outside. So when flux will not be coming outside, it will remain inside. It will result into slag inclusion. So if you want to save your molten weld pool from slag inclusion, you want high temperature. High temperature means more heat means no change of temperature. For that you don't want any change of voltage. But voltage change is not in your hand. So what we will do, we will make the change of current should be lesser for more change of voltage. That is what we are doing. All these things I explained in the welding session. Marathon is available on this channel. You can watch that. Answer for this is going to be what? First of all, during gas welding, steel oxyacetylene, neutral flame, the acetylene consumed is 10 liter. The total oxygen consumption is. So my dear, actually you need to take care of that. When you are providing the 10 liter, for neutral flame you will provide the 10 liter of oxygen, okay, for this acetylene, okay. But my dear, how much total consumption will be? You know that for 1 mole of C2H2, overall 2.5 moles are required. So overall consumption will be 25 liter. From the cylinder you will be providing 10 liter. Okay, is it clear? So from cylinder you will provide 10 liter, overall consumption is 25 liter. Moving to question number 14. This is the chip reduction coefficient. Chip reduction coefficient. Solve this chip reduction coefficient. So R is T by Tc, LC by L, and this is 1 by K. R is chip thickness ratio, K is chip reduction coefficient. So K will be Tc by T, L by Lc. C represent the chip. Orthogonal machining on a workpiece of diameter 100 mm. Length of the chip produced. So Lc is given to you 78.5. You need to find out the value of K. Dev is saying 2.5. What about others? Yes, Hari. Come on, guys, make it fast. We will try to finish this by 11:45. Okay. So how to give the answer for this? My dear, here you know that if we are having a circular component, then my dear, if you are having a tool like this, then this will be your depth of cut. If this is your depth of cut, what will be the length of uncut chip? Length of uncut chip will be pi d. That is 2 pi r. So what is pi d? They have given the diameter of 100 mm. So you will say pi d upon 78.5, and answer will be coming out to be 4. B is the right answer for this. Is it clear for everyone? 4 would be the right answer for this. Very good, Dev. Moving to question number 15. Once again, the similar question is given. You need to find out the shear angle. I feel you are aware tangent phi is r cos alpha 1 minus r sin alpha. Alpha is given, r is T by Tc or Lc by L. Once again, you need to apply this formula, which we have just done it. Solve this question, guys. Yes. What would be the answer for this? A, B, C, D. First of all, find out R. They have given you LC 73.5 divided by pi into 100. This will give you R. Put it here, you will get the phi. Calculator will be available in the exam. Solve it, guys. Yes, everybody. Next question is from Rolling. Next question is from Rolling. So when you will solve it, my dear, you would be getting phi to be 18.02 degree. Answer will be B for this. Are you getting it? Mani, Papa Ghoda, Dev, Hari. Answer will be B for this. Moving to question number 16, guys. Okay, before that, this is a workshop. Workshop is there on 16th of November, 7:30 p.m. If anybody of your junior is preparing for GATE 25, this is a strategy to conquer GATE in the first attempt. Will be taken by Richa ma'am. And on 11th and 12th November, because on the occasion of Diwali, you can get up to 90% of the scholarship by appearing in the scholarship test. Very good, Dev. Your answer is correct. Okay. So this is the link of the app is there in the description. You can get the free quizzes there, PYQs, everything is available. Okay. Moving to the next question, guys. Moving to the next question. I feel we have already done 15 questions. This is question number 16. A steel plate 50 mm thick is to be rolled to 42 mm in a 4-high rolling mill. Roll diameter 340 mm. The yield stress 200 MPa. The coefficient of friction if the given reduction is the maximum reduction. I feel everybody is aware about this formula. Delta H maximum is mu square R. Find out the value of mu. Yes, guys. Question number 16. Tell me. There are other questions without calculation also, so don't bother about calculations. Some are having high calculation. During exam, you need to take care. More calculative question you need to do at the last. So Mani have given the answer as 0.217. What about others? Dev, MS, Mani. Tell me. Arey bhai, delta H maximum is 50 minus 40 to 8 mm. So when you will be equating it, you will be getting the answer as 0.217. B is correct. Yes. Arey bhai, Papa Ghoda, MSD2E. Hari, are you doing it or not? Yes. Dev and Mani only have answered it. Moving to next question, guys. Moving to question number 17 from non-traditional machining method. This is not a calculation based question. This is the data type question. Some 1 to 2 question you will find like that. Ki the average water jet velocity in water jet machining will be. So you should have 300, 200, 700, 1500. What would be your idea? Okay, Mani is saying C. Yes, very good. C is correct. And if they ask about temperature, temperature is always restricted below 100 degrees Celsius because water is going to boil at this temperature. Very good. Answer is C for this. So everybody have answered before the time this time. Very good. So this type of question will be there to save your time. Very good. Moving to question number 18, guys. Moving to question number 18. This is industrial engineering. In a project network, the critical path time is 17 days and variance of the critical activity is this and this. You need to find out standard deviation. Standard deviation is square root of variance 1 ka square, variance 2 ka square, variance 3 ka square. What would be the answer? I am passed out this year, okay, from mechanical, but these formulas कुछ रिकॉल ही नहीं हो रहा. 10 दिन में जो जाएगा हो जाएगा क्या क्लियर बार्क सीबीटी? नहीं भाई, 10 दिन में बार्क जैसा एग्जाम क्लियर नहीं हो सकता. Okay, this is the exam for those who have already prepared at least 60-70% syllabus. Even that is not safe. So after 70% syllabus is the safe person. Generally, students are appearing who have given the gate qualified but not with the very good marks. They are going to appear in this. Okay, they are already prepared. So I feel in these 10 days, yes, you can try for 1-2 subject and check your technical skills, so that when next time you appear, for that you have an idea how to do this. So the answer for this will be 1.7. Okay, are you getting D for this? Variance 1 is 2.77 का square plus 0.11 का square plus 0.11 का square. Okay, the answer will be D for this. Very good. Moving further, guys, to question number 19. This is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Now these are the questions. Just by looking at this you can answer. This is how you can save your time. This question is from basic thermodynamics. The slope of constant pressure line on TS diagram. The slope of constant pressure line on TS diagram. It is TDS DH minus okay, money in the previous question. हाँ, A आ रहा है ना? Yes. Okay. We have made this mistake. Sorry, guys. Not sorry, you have made that mistake. I was just thinking how the answer is not matching here. Actually, when you will be solving this, you have made a mistake. Already variance was given. That's why I was saying I thought answer is 1.73. So when you will be having, this is already given 2.77 variance plus 0.11 plus 0.11. Answer will be 1.73. That's why I feel my calculations are wrong, because all of you are saying D. That is why. So answer is A, not D. Okay. Sorry for that. Question number 19. But all of you said D. I thought my calculations are wrong, because I have done calculations for you guys. You can see I have done these calculations for you in one page. But then I thought maybe all of you are saying my calculations are wrong, because I am also a human being. So what about this? Slope of constant pressure line on a TS diagram. From TDS relation. Yes. From TDS relation. What you are getting, guys? What you are getting? Yes. When you will apply this, B you are getting, yes, T by Cp is correct. For constant volume line, it will be T by Cv. Moving to question number 20th. Carnot cycle. Carnot cycle. Here also you can save time. Carnot cycle. Okay, so Mani is saying C. You know that Carnot cycle is having two processes which are isothermal, two are isentropic. So these are isothermal, these are isentropic. C is correct. Very good. So moving to the next question, guys. Question number 21. Here they have given you this PV diagram and this is TS diagram. You need to tell the sequence of the processes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what it should be? A, B, C, D, B, D, C, A, B, C, D, A, C, A, B, D. That you need to tell. Tell me. So now I am going slightly faster so that we can complete the test on time. So I will be going with little explanations. Tell me the answer for this. Yes, guys. Okay, Mani is saying the answer is B. B, C, D, A. Everybody please tell. B is correct, guys. B, C, D, A. So this process is nothing but isentropic. Then this process is nothing but isobaric. This process is nothing but isochoric, and then this process is nothing but isothermal. B is correct. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 22. They are asking N is equals to, polytropic index is equals to. Very good, Dev. Polytropic index is equals to the value of N. So here you have saved the time. Numericals will take slightly more time. In these type of question, you will save your time. Like Mani and Papa Ghoda just have given the answer by looking at it. That is required actually. Okay. So if you see the value of N, it is going to be P2 by P1 log divided by log V1 by V2. So this type of questions will be there. Okay. So you need to answer them. Very good. So moving to question number 23, guys. Moving to question number 23. Here they are saying that the COP of a refrigerator is 5 and efficiency of heat engine of the same temperature limit is 50%. Okay. So efficiency is given, COP is given. Then what is the ratio of heat supplied to the engine to the heat absorbed to the refrigerator? So they are giving you, this is T2 refrigerator, T1. In the same temperature limit you are having a heat engine. You know, here work input will be there, here work output will be there. So they are two separate identities. Okay. And then you need to compare. For this, COP is given as 5. For this, efficiency is given. It is 50%. So they are asking you that the heat supplied to the engine to heat absorbed by the refrigerator. This is, let us say, Q1, Q2. This is, let us say, Q3, Q4. You need to tell the ratio of Q1 by Q3. I have given you all the hints possible from my side. Now you will be solving by your own. So likewise, 4 theory questions were there, 1 numerical is coming. So that kind of things will happen in exam. Yes. Solve it, guys. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, so Papa Ghoda is saying the answer is D. Note D. D is not the correct answer. Try to solve it. T1 by T2 minus T1 is given as 5. Okay. And 1 minus T2 by T1 is given as 0.5. These two things are given. And you need to find out the ratio. B is correct. B is correct. 0.4 is correct. 0.4 is correct. Okay. 0.4 is correct. So my dear, I feel you know that this can also be written as, this is the COP. You know that this is nothing but the heat absorbed by work input, and this is nothing but work output by heat supply. So you need to use these two relations and you will be getting the answer to be B, 0.4. So this ratio will be coming out to be 0.4. Very good. Clear for everyone? Dear, don't assume them to be same device. They are different device. They are different identity. Then they are asking. So you need to find this separately and this separately. And then you need to take the ratio. So answer for this will be B. Okay. So moving further, guys. Question number 24. This is from heat transfer. I feel everybody will give the right answer for this. Conduction. Conduction. Conductivity K, conductivity 2K, TT. You need to find out the effective thermal conductivity. Effective thermal conductivity. Wonderful, guys. Question number 24 it is. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Yes. Don't worry, upcoming questions will save your time. But in the exam, try to do one-liners first. So Dev is saying the answer to be D. What about others? What about others? What about others? Will you be finding out R equivalent as R1 plus R2? Then T by K, T by 2K. Is it correct? This is how you have done it. This is how you have done it. Then 2K. So you would be having so what we are getting? Yes, what we are getting? This will be 2T by K equivalent. Area will get cancelled out. So from here you need to find out the K equivalent. I feel 4K by 3 should come. 4K by 3 should come. Am I correct? अरे भाई 4K by 3 आएगा ना, A से A कट गया, T से T कट गया. This is 2 by K equivalent. This is 3 by 2K. 4 by 3 will be the answer. Correct or not, भाई? मनी, पापा, घोड़ा, देव. Correct or not? 4K by 3 will be the answer. Yes, Dalapatti ji. Because you will be taking this entire thickness for K equivalent. So moving to the next question, question number 25. When one body is inside other, then what is the shape factor of A2 with respect to A1? One body is inside another. What would be the shape factor? One body is inside other. One body is inside other. Very easy question. A spherical body with surface A1 is completely enclosed by another hollow body with inner surface A2. The shape factor of A2 with respect to A1. अरे भाई, inner surface will not be having any exposure with A1. What should be the shape factor? Inner surface will not be having any exposure to the out surface. What should be the shape factor? Radiation question. Dev, Mani, Dhalapati, Papa Ghoda. What would be the answer for this? भाई जीरो होगा ना, जीरो होगा. I am giving you hint कि inner surface will not be having any exposure to the outer one. So A would be the answer. Moving further, question from IC engine. Very good. For an Otto cycle, the increase in compression ratio. You know the formula of efficiency. You need to tell with compression ratio increase, thermal efficiency will increase or decrease. Increase or decrease. Yes, A, B, C, D. What would be the right answer? A, B, C, D. What would be the right answer? A, B, C, D, what would be the right answer? You know the formula for efficiency. 1 minus 1 by R to the power n minus 1. Yes, very good, Dhalapatti. So what should be the answer? A, B, C or D? अरे भाई, थर्मल एफिशिएंसी तो बढ़ती है ना. थर्मल एफिशिएंसी बढ़ती है तो आंसर डी होगा. सी कैसे हो जाएगा? आंसर डी होगा, सी कैसे हो जाएगा? Very good. Very good, Money and MS. Moving to the next question, guys. This is from fluid mechanics, Newtonian fluid. Newtonian fluid, shear stress is proportional to shear strain. Rate of shear stress is proportional to shear strain. Shear stress is proportional to rate of shear strain, or rate of shear stress is not proportional to the rate of shear strain. Very good. They have given the answer. MS have given the answer. C would be the right answer because you write tau is directly proportional to du by dy. Very good, guys. Very, very good. So moving further to the next question. So this type of question you can save your time. They are asking the convective acceleration. Very good. Dhalapatti, very good. So guys, do like and share the session. We are at 28th question. Tell me. You know the acceleration. Del u by del t plus u del u by del x plus v del v by del y plus w del w by del z. Out of this, which one is showing to you the convective? Tell me, guys. Tell me. So dear, this is said to be local. This is said to be convective. So answer for this question will be A. A would be the right answer. फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स बिल्कुल भूल गए हो क्या? ए आएगा कि सी आएगा? ए आएगा. वेरी गुड. Prashun, you got it? Prashun and Money, you got it? Okay. So moving to the next question. The transition Reynolds number for flow over a flat surface is this. What is the distance from the leading edge at which transition will occur for the flow of water with a uniform velocity of this? Okay, for water kinematic viscosity is this. So try to solve this. Yes, what is the formula? Try to solve it. Okay. He is asking in X direction. Sorry. If he is asking in X direction, then you will say the answer is C. Generally, I am telling you this. Okay, then it's fine. Sorry for my wrong answer. In the X direction, yes, it's fine. But generally, this is the formula. Tell me. एक्चुअली मुझे फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स पढ़ाए काफी समय हो गया है ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने डायरेक्शन ध्यान से देखा नहीं. व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर फॉर दिस? देव, मनी, प्रशुन, यस यू आर करेक्ट. सॉरी, माय बैड. व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर फॉर दिस? Solve it and give the answer. You need to find out the length. Okay, the answer for this will be the answer for this will be A is correct. Okay, so I told you that acceleration will be del u by del t, that is said to be the convective part, and then I said u del u by del x plus v del v by del y plus w del w by del z. This is the normal formula and this is for local and other is for convective. Okay, then they are asking with respect to x-axis, then you can see it will be u del u by del x, u del, likewise you can do. Okay, very good. So I feel now you understood, you can do that. Next question is this: the curve labeled 1, 2 in the given figure refers to the expansion process of a Rankine, modified Rankine, regenerative or reheat. So you can see this is 1, 2. Very good, Kumar. What would be the answer? Dear, have you ever studied this type of thing? You have studied Rankine, you have studied regenerative, you have studied reheat. In all these things, have you studied this type of curve? No. So the answer by default is modified Rankine. B is the answer. Moving to the next question. Modulus of resilience. Now, my areas of interest are entering into strength of material question. Modulus of resiliences. Modulus of resiliences. Tell me. Is it a property to resist shock? No, that is toughness. A property to withstand heavy pressure? No. A property to store energy without undergoing the permanent deformation or index of elasticity. C is the right answer. Very good. Moving to the next question, guys. This is a relation of elastic constant. Mani, Kumar, Prasun, Dev, Dalapatti, everybody have given the right answer. So you will have some questions like that also. Moving to the next question. Which of the relationship between the elastic constant is correct? Tell me the answer for this. You know E is equals to 2G1 plus mu. E is equals to 3K1 minus 2 mu. E is equals to 9 kg 3K plus G. ये तो understood है कि we are going to use this relation. Okay? Use this relation, go for the cross multiplication. Okay, so this time solve it and get the answer. Use this relation, multiply throughout 3K plus G, then divide by EKG. You will get the answer. Are you getting C or D? Please cross check. C or D, 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 please cross check. D will be the right answer. D will be the right answer. D will be the right answer. Yes. What you need to do? Multiply it. You will be having 3KE plus GE 9 kg. Now divide by EKG, 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 EKG. You will be getting the answer to be D. Very good, guys. Moving to the next question. This is question number 34 or 33. Okay, I feel 33. Money, I will check in the last. Actually, you can ask me that personally on the Telegram. Okay, I will answer there. Actually, I have class at 12 PM, so I need to complete the session before that. Okay, so that we will communicate separately. Although I have given you the general equation, by putting into that you can get. Maybe you are saying the answer is, I feel you are saying D. है ना? So no issues. I will check it. What about this? This is a uniaxial loading. For uniaxial loading, you need to find out the shear stress. Shear stress is sigma by 2 for uniaxial loading. So answer is 173 by 2. B would be the right answer. Very good. We are moving to the next question, guys. For a power transmission shaft transmitting power P, the diameter is proportional to. Very good, Kumar, Dev. Solve it, guys. You know, power is T into omega and T is T by J into R is tau max. From here, T can be written as tau max into ZP. So it is tau max pi by 16 d cube. So from that, I feel you can answer it. So already Kumar, MSD, Papa Ka Ghoda have given the answer as A. So when you will be putting this value here, you can write d cube into omega, because torque is having this term variable only. D cube into omega is directly proportional to power. So you can write D is directly proportional to power. Omega is having n variable, 1 by 3. Answer will be A for this. Very good, guys. Aniket, do you want to ask? Okay. Dear, they are not from a particular book. They are from various sources. Okay. They are some are from the exam like BHEL, some are from engineering services, and that I have made by knowing about the level of BARC exam, because every year whenever the students are giving exam, they tell us the level of question. So based on that, we are taking some question from PSU exam, some questions from DRDO, ISRO, hai na? Because they are similar questions asking. Some questions are of GATE also. Some are from GATE also. Okay. Some questions are taken from standard books also. Some are made by options also. Okay. A 0.2 mm thick tape goes over a frictionless pulley. Actually, some students have a misconception in your mind that paper is coming from this book, that book. If you solve any book, you will find 90% of the problems are same. Like even when you were in 11th, 12th class, DC Pandey, you take any other book, 90 to 95% questions are same in them. They are not having any difference. Okay, so that is why you can follow any book. It is not going to matter much. Yes. Dear, not specifically, because BYJU is already having the test series for the exams. Not specifically for BARC. BARC is now you know how many days ahead. So you need to find out the bending stress, which you can find out by using the formula E y max by R, because radius of curvature is known to us. Okay, radius of curvature is known to us. Whenever radius of curvature is known, we use this formula. What is Young's modulus? 100 GPa. What is y max? 0.2 mm is the thickness. So if this is the neutral fiber, you will be having 0.1 mm. 0.1 mm. Radius is, diameter is 25 mm. Mm will get cancelled out. C or D, Dev, C or D. Have you taken 22.5 as radius? It is diameter. So I feel answer will be D for this. Am I correct? Very good, Kumar. Money, is it clear? Money, is it clear? So moving further, guys. Next question. In a plane stress problem, there are normal tensile stresses sigma x, sigma y, accompanied by shear stress tau xy at a point along orthogonal Cartesian coordinates. Minimum principal stress is 0. You need to put sigma 2 as 0. By putting at sigma 2 is equals to 0, you will be finding out in which case I didn't get what you have written, Shan Vicky. In which case will we take RS 25 by 2? अरे भाई रेडियस तो 25 by 2 ही आएगा ना, रेडियस 25 by 2 ही आएगा, 25 तो डायामीटर है. Vicky, 25 is diameter, so radius will be 25 by 2. But as 25 mm, so I have written 12.5 mm. Ha, Vicky, in the previous problem, 25 mm is diameter. So I have taken 12.5 mm radius. Radius of curvature is 12.5. If you want, you can take this thickness also, because radius of neutral fiber will be 12.5 plus 0.1 mm. But it will not make much effect. So that is why I have taken 12.5. So you will get 800 MPa. This question, the answer will be coming out to be C, because you know the formula for sigma 2 is xx plus yy by 2 minus square root of xx minus yy by 2 का square plus tau xy का square. Equating it to 0, you will be getting tau xy coming out to be xxyy. Yes, Aniket, BARC TO salary will be less than HPCL, but it will be equals to the scientist pay. Okay, so HPCL is giving high package slightly. CTC. Euler's formula holds good for. Euler formula holds good for. Euler's formula holds good for. This is question number 38. 12 more to go. 12 questions more to go. Yes. Kumar, are you getting it? You know that when we are talking about Euler's, it was given for long columns. So valid for long column. Rankine is valid for both. Rankine is valid for both short and long, and it was given for medium. Valid for all. Okay. Yes. Moving to the next question, guys. Theory of machine question once again. 39. The cam size depends upon. The cam size depends upon. Cam size depends upon. Cam size depends upon. Yes, yes, yes. Cam size is depending on base circle. Very good, guys. Very good. So moving to the next question, question number 40. I told you na some questions are which you will be solving just by looking at them. Very good, Bunny. This question also you can answer just by looking at it. Question from welding again. Straight VI characteristic. Short circuit current 400 ampere. Open circuit voltage 100 voltage. They are asking for the maximum arc power. What would be the current and voltage? They are asking optimum voltage, optimum current. Everybody know optimum voltage is open circuit voltage by 2. This is short circuit current by 2. So 200 ampere 50 volt D will be the answer. I am going slightly faster because first of all this is mock test. So I need to not give much explanation. Second thing, I have class at 12. Okay. So moving further. So we have completed this question. This is 41. Okay. What is the velocity? They have given 100 mm diameter and spindle speed. You know velocity is pi d n by 60. It is nothing but r into omega. Because r is d by 2, omega is 2 pi n by 60. So solve it and get the answer. Tell me, guys, tell me. Calculator is allowed in the exam. Dalapatti is saying the answer to be 2.51. Are you getting in meter per second? Yes, 2.51 meter per second. Very good. B is correct. Next question is from metal cutting. flank wear occurs mainly due to which of the phenomena? Adhesion, diffusion, oxidation, abrasion. Adhesion, diffusion, oxidation, abrasion. Aniket, actually I am also giving explanation. That's why I am taking time. 1 hour will be sufficient, and if it is less, it is for all. That's why cutoff will never go more than 60-65%. The answer for this is D. Crater wear is happening because of this. Okay, flank wear is happening because of abrasion. Clear? So when you are saying na this diffusion creates crater wear. Diffusion creates crater wear, bhai. Diffusion of the carbon atoms from the tool material to chip happens. That is crater wear. That is not flank wear. Okay. Cycloidal gear tooth profile consists of only cycloid, only hypocycloid, cycloid and epicycloid, hypocycloid and epicycloid. Tell me the answer. मैथ के क्वेश्चन प्रश्न 1-2 से ज्यादा नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. मैथ्स कम आएगा, मैथ्स आएगा पर कम आएगा. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन. So my dear, you are aware that it is hypocycloid and epicycloid. Both are available. Okay. So answer will be D for this. So I feel for this you need to go for the geometry of gear. This question is from vibrations. If spring is not massless, spring is not massless. Do like and share the session, guys. And would you like one more mock test before the exam with the complete mechanical team? Would you like one more mock test before exam with complete mechanical team? Today I am alone, अकेला हूं मैं, but mechanical team complete will come for one more mock test. After Deepavali, you prepare in Deepavali 4 more mock tests. Okay, sure. So answer will be B for this. I feel everybody know about this. Moving to next question. An imaginary circle which by pure rolling action gives the same motion as actual gear is called addendum, pitch circle, dedendum or base circle. As they said imaginary circle, answer will be pitch circle. So likewise, I wanted to show you some questions will be like this also. So when you are appearing for BARC exam, this is your duty. What you will do? First of all, you will solve these questions. After that, you will come to numericals. Okay? Because numericals will be slightly time taking. Because calculator is allowed. They are asking you the maximum shear strain. They have given you the 2 principal strains. We are about to complete in 2-3 minutes. I feel you are aware when we write tau max, it is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. But when we write gamma max, it is gamma max by 2, epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2 by 2. Why? Because we replace tau by gamma by 2 and sigma by epsilon. C would be the right answer. Yes, very good. Moving to the next. A cylindrical elastic body subjected to pure torsion about its axis develop tensile stress in a direction of 45 degree, no tensile compressive, maximum shear along the axis of shaft, maximum shear at 45 degree. They are saying that pure torsion is the state of stress. In pure torsion, this is about the axis. About the axis, if you take a point, this will be the state of stress. Very good, Jarvis. So dear, I feel you are aware for such case at 45 degree we are having one principal plane. Second principal plane is like this. So tensile stress in a direction 45 degree to the axis. This is wrong. Maximum shear stress, this is wrong. This is wrong. A is the right answer. A is the right answer, na? Because at 45 degree, you are having tensile stress, maximum normal stress. Mani have given the right answer for this question. You got it, Kumar, you got it, Dhalapati. अरे भाई maximum shear stress along the axis थोड़ी होगा. Maximum shear stress when you will find out, this is the cross section. Maximum shear stress will be like that. This is the shear stress distribution. So maximum shear stress will be around all the periphery of the shaft. So when you are going to make this, maximum shear is perpendicular to this axis, na? Perpendicular to this axis. Answer will be A. हाँ भाई, कुमार, धालापत्ती, स्टैनफोर्ड आ गया सभी को. वेरी गुड. Last two questions from my side. The three-dimensional state of stress at a point is given. Actually, whenever this question was written, this was corrected. This was in the X phase and Y direction. X phase and Y direction. You need to find out shear stress in X phase and Y direction. Shear stress in X phase and Y direction. If you see, phase is row number X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. This is column number is Y. Direction. Answer is C. Very good. Last question for shear stress. Shear stress in beams. Very good, Dhalapatti. So answer will be what? Answer will be what? Very good. Answer will be B for this. Shear stress distributions are always like this, whatever be the cross section. Okay. So my dear, with this we have done the questions. We have done 48 questions. Actually, I have class at 12. So my dear, 2 questions I have not solved, that is from engineering mechanics. I will share those 2 questions with the solution on my Telegram channel after 2 p.m. So you can download that, you can solve those 2 questions. Okay. 48 questions we have solved in the class. So goodbye for this particular session, and I am telling you that we will be having 1 to 2 mock tests more before your exam. So be ready for that. We will try to keep it just after Deepavali, so be ready. And next time I will come with my entire team so that आपको ज़्यादा exposure, ज़्यादा faculties से मिले, है ना? We will try, if possible, we will put it 2 at least. Okay, so goodbye for this particular session, and thanks guys for your wonderful response. Goodbye. Do like and share the session guys before leaving.